Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check and fill the transmission fluid in this 2011 Ford Explorer. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, we're going to pop the hood right underneath this kick panel here. There's a little lever. Pull that lever. To release the safety on the hood, there's a little lever right here. You're going to push it towards the passenger side. Lift up on the hood. The prop rod is right here. Lift it up and you can put it in that slot right there. The transmission fluid indicator is right underneath the cap. The cap is down here, right on top of the transmission. It's a little bit dirty, so I'm going to wipe it with a rag. We don't want any of that getting into the transmission. To check the fluid level on this vehicle in the transmission, you're going to want the transmission fluid to be between 180 degrees and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And you're going to want to do this while the engine is running. I'm going to pull the cap off, and there's the dipstick. I'm going to wipe off the dipstick. Reinsert the cap and the dipstick. You want to push the cap all the way down and lock it. Leave it in there for a minute while the engine is running. And we're going to pull it out. So we want the fluid level between these hash marks right here. There's a max line and a min line. So in between there. So if your level's more on the lower side, you would have to top it off. If it's too high, you'd have to remove some of the fluid. So if you're adding fluid, you're going to want to get a funnel like this so that you can get down in there and add the appropriate fluid. You can check your owner's manual for the appropriate fluid. So we'll wipe off the dipstick and reinsert the dipstick and cap. And twist it to the right. Take the prop rod out. Put that in position. Close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.